Meet smart glass spaces, where architectural elegance meets intelligent, transformable functionality without the premium price you'd expect. Our innovative U-channel system eliminates installation headaches. Factory-produced standard panels slot precisely into place, with all smart glass wiring pre-integrated and hidden, preserving clean, minimalist lines. Once the panels are in place, simply add our pre-wired smart glass door module, eliminating complex on-site electrical work while maintaining a seamless finish. Our wooden fillers elegantly adapt our standard components to any opening size, eliminating custom manufacturing while adding a warm, premium finish. This modular approach cuts installation time by 40% and reduces costs significantly versus custom solutions. Need complete standalone workspaces? Our standard components create space pods that arrive ready to assemble. You get instant privacy solutions that integrate seamlessly with your existing systems while enhancing workplace flexibility, all at a fraction of what you'd pay for custom-built alternatives. At the touch of a button, transparent glass becomes private in under 1/10 of a second, and you will appreciate more than just visual privacy. Our advanced acoustic engineering reduces noise transmission by up to 45 decibels, keeping your sensitive conversations truly confidential. Whether you're a tech hub needing collaborative flexibility, a military unit requiring absolute confidentiality, or a financial firm demanding instant privacy, you'll find smart glass spaces adapts to your specific needs. You'll join clients who've achieved a 25% boost in space utilization and a 35% jump in meeting room availability. Why settle for static walls when you can have a workspace that evolves with you? Contact us today and bring smart glass spaces to your office. Efficient, affordable, and built for the future.